Summer break officially ends tomorrow, so I'm starting to get some things ready for my classroom. Well, a lot of things ready for my room. And I'm kind of just like going over all the things that I've collected over the summertime. And one of the things that I'm so excited to start incorporating into my third grade classroom are these multiplication and division fact fluency cards. Both of these things we focus on throughout, honestly, most of third grade. Division we kind of hit at the end. But I always tell parents when they ask, like, how can we help support our kid? Flashcards, games, just quick little things that even like 2 to 5 minutes will be so helpful in the long run. So I'm going to add these to my classroom. I'm super excited. There's so many great things. So this is the multiplication pack. There's 173 cards in it and 2 dice. And inside there's 6 fun games. There's 6 different ways to teach it depending how you want to teach your child or student. It also has this tab system. So like, excuse me, you can move it around depending what you finish or what your kid finishes. So if you know like all your 2 facts, for example, you can put all the times 2 facts in this little pile. And then there's a mastered, so that would go in the mastered. There's a sort of know, so if it's something that they're kind of understanding but not completely, maybe takes them a couple seconds, and then a don't know yet. So this is cool. It also has a color system, so based off of like the numbers and stuff that it uses, has the color coded cards for practice. It comes with a full multiplication chart and division chart, or I guess we call it a table at my school, but they call it a chart here, which is great because then you can kind of show them how a table works and check answers if you're not super great at math and you're doing practice with your kid. And then it also, here, let me show you one of these. So it also has visuals for division and multiplication, especially. Visuals are so great because it makes it a little more understandable for kids. So on the front, it has 100 times 10. You would show it to them. They would try and get it within a few seconds. And then on the back, it has the answer, but it also has the visual of like, for here, it's 100, 10 groups of 100. And you can kind of show them that and kind of walk through it with them. I'll show you another one. We'll do one of these. 1 times 4, and then it uses, again, a little table on the back to show you how that works, or an array. This thing is so cool. I think I already told you the brand sent it to me, but it's going to be perfect for my classroom. So then here's a division one. It's obviously backwards for you guys, but 30 divided by 6. And then again, shows you that visual, gives you the entire equation, shows that visual again so that kids can kind of understand it, not just memorize it. So the other thing is the dice that it comes with. So this is the division dice. So you can roll a number and divide it, roll the next dice and divide it, and then multiplication, you would multiply the 2. So I don't know, this is pretty neat. I think my students are gonna love it. We're gonna probably use it during like small groups activities and then as early finishers. But I love that it's nice and organized. It's such a quick, easy way to do your fact practice, and there's no prep. Everything is just like there, ready for you.